Dozens of people were burned after a fireworks explosion at a traditional celebration in central Cuban. The incident occurred at Cuba's traditional Parandas festival in the town of Remedios on Christmas Eve. A Christmas fireworks explosion has injured 39 people with some in a critical condition, in the central Cuban town of Remedios. The traditional Parandas festival is known for its raucous celebrations and a fireworks contest between two of the town's neighborhoods. The Christmas Eve event draws thousands of Cubans and tourists each year. The victims, including 6 children between the ages of 11 and 15, were all Cuban. Investigators don't yet know what caused the explosion. The festivals originated in the 18th century, with the most famous parades taking place in Remedios, the oldest Spanish settlement in the former Las Villas province in the region. Isabella II of Spain, who ruled from 1833 until 1868, was the first to declare it a city. The area is typically a 4-hour bus ride from Cuba's capital, Havana. The festival usually sees Ferris wheels, carousels and boats as part of the incredible spectacle.